Hi, this is Chris from Quick Lane, and today I'm going to talk to you about general maintenance on your vehicle. So on every vehicle at every 5,000 miles, you should change your oil and rotate your tires. And that's for 5,000, 10,000, 15,000 on up. Between 10,000 and 20,000, you should change your air filter. And we check that every time you come in, so we can tell you when it needs to be changed based on your driving conditions. At 20,000 miles and every 20,000 miles after that, you should change your cabin filter. Then after that, you would wait till about 100,000 miles for any other general maintenance on your vehicle. At 100,000 miles, you're going to change your spark plugs, drive belt, and have a coolant flush. And then at 150,000 miles, we would do transmission, differential, and again, your normal maintenance there with oil changes and your air filter, cabin filter. So that would be your general maintenance on each one of your vehicles. If you have any questions, obviously you can ask any advisor here in the Quick Lane, and we would be more than happy to help you.